Notion iProductivity app. The pros, the cons. Most people think productivity apps are just for note-taking, but the Notion iProductivity app takes it to the next level. You won't believe how it combines AI-powered workflows, knowledge management, and team collaboration in one platform. On the plus side, Notion helps with content creation, task planning, and summarizing information. Teams can build databases, wikis, project boards, and documents in a single workspace. Features can generate meeting notes, suggest tasks, and even create draft content, saving valuable time. Integration with Slack, Google Drive, and Trello allows seamless workflow management. The app is highly customizable, so you can adapt it to personal or team productivity styles. Collaboration is smooth, with real-time editing, commenting, and shared databases. Offline access is supported, ensuring productivity even without internet connectivity. However, some cons exist. Notion's interface can be overwhelming for beginners, and advanced AI features require a subscription. Learning how to build complex workflows or databases may take time. Additionally, mobile editing can feel less intuitive compared to desktop use. In conclusion, the Notion iProductivity app is a versatile tool for individuals and teams aiming to streamline work, enhance productivity, and leverage AI for smarter workflows. While there is a learning curve and premium features come at a cost, its combination of customization, AI support, and collaboration capabilities makes it a top choice for modern productivity.